Yep, for this level, we're going to be moving from last time we did the do. Now we're moving to the first inversion, hand position. So I don't want us to move to first inversion of do, it's too far from this. So I want us to move to the do so. So this is what we are doing. We've already practiced this before, but what we did was coordinated arpeggios. We did this. I think that was level 5 thereabout, but now we are doing random arpeggios. So something like that. And once again, you can put on your metronome and follow the beats. That's the exercise for this level. You keep practicing that. Practice it every day for like a week, and when you're done with it and you've mastered it, then you'll be ready for the next level.